In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code to your computer. Select your operating system. I'll do Windows. Once this message pops up, click on P, and then open File. You will see a window like this. You have to accept. Next, and I'm going to leave everything else as, then install. Once the install is done, click on Finish, and it's going to start Visual Studio Code. You can add a new file here if you wanted to, so I can go to Open File, or actually folder, and I'm just going to open a folder from my desktop. That's it.